Question number 11. Complete the following table to give the set of inequalities that describes the shaded region. So they've told us x is less than or equal to 1, and that's this vertical line here. Because every point to the left-hand side of that will have an x value of less than 1. We can apply the same principle to this horizontal line across the bottom. And obviously if this was x is less than or equal to something, we're going to be on y here. So this line here is at y equals minus 2. But we've shaded above that line, so the inequality we want is going to be y is greater or equal to minus 2. Now the third line is the more complicated one. It's the diagonal line. So the first thing we've got to do is find the equation of this straight line. So we've got to work out what y equals mx plus c for this particular straight line is. M stands for the gradient and C stands for the intercept. So C is the point in which this line crosses the y-axis. So you can see it's going through at the point 1. So we know that this equation is going to have plus 1 on the end. Now M represents the gradient. So for one square across, how many squares up does the curve go? So if I consider going one square across from here, so an increase of 1 on the x-axis is worth an increase of 1, 2, 3 on the y-axis, so the gradient is 3. So the equation of the line is y equals 3x plus 1. Again, we want an inequality. The fact that we are looking below that line means that y has to be less than 3x. Y has to be less or equal to 3x plus 1.